SHEIN squishy haul. So I got some like viral squishies at SHEIN, and I also got some squishies from Mexico City because I went to Mexico City last week, and I just came here like this Tuesday, and I got some squishies. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the 2 sugar texture ones that I got. So first I got this oxalato, but the face keeps like peeling off. I've just been playing this for like 3 to 5 minutes and it's already peeling off. But this is like an 8 out of 10. It has a lot of air in it, and I don't like that. But this is like an 7.5 or an 8. Next, I got this duck. This has no air in it, and it feels like so good. I literally love this. And guys, I'm going to be showing you an image how the SHEIN order looks like. So this is like the duck. It feels so good. It's also hard. This is like a 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. Okay, now I'm going to go with the slow risings. So first I got this like little mini bread. It's so sticky. Feels so good. And this is like very slow rising. So that's like more like an 8 out of 10. Next, I got this chocolate bar. It feels so good. And it's very slow rising and it's sticky. This is like a 8.5 out of 10. I really like it. Next, I got a peanut. This is like so good. But it's just the noise. I wish it didn't have any noise. It sounds like someone is farting right here. So, this is like a 7.5 out of 10. And it does have a bit of air, but it's fine. I got 2 of these. This one is for me and the other one is for my friend. Yeah, this is like a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, this is my favorite one. So I got this mochi ball. It's like the sticky ones. And I was so excited to open this because it feels like a smusher. And I've really been wanting a smusher. So this is like a, oh, it feels so good. So I'm going to be showing y'all a picture of how it looks. So yeah, this is like very sticky, like a smusher. This is like a 9.5 out of 10. Okay, last is the viral cheese. It looks like the squeeze leg one and the mellow, but it looks so identical. But it's not the Vaseline one. It's like the shaving cream one, but like better. It feels amazing. It's not that like sticky. It's not that like rough. It's not that hard. The skin feels so soft, and the sound is like the best part. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. So now for the Mexico City SHEIN haul. Not SHEIN haul. Squishies. So I also got an axolotl, but it's a swirl. I never seen a swirl axolotl. It feels nice. I really like it. And the face doesn't really come off like the SHEIN one, so yeah. And then I also got another axolotl. This is like way softer and like yeah, and more like prettier. But I think I like this one because I like the colors. But this one, I like the sparkles a lot. And it's just so soft. So both of these are like a 9 out of 10. Okay, this might be a little bit random, but I got this, like, kind of looks like an egg. But this was like $3, so I have to get it. So it looks like this. And then when you squeeze it, it has Orbeez in it. It's really sticky though. It makes really good sounds with your nails if you have any. And it's really sticky. And the colors are kind of pretty. I really like the sparkles in it. And the Orbeez are like nice. So yeah, this is like a 7.5 out of 10. So guys, that's everything for my squishies, my SHEIN, and my Mexico City. So that's everything for today. Bye.